Hello everyone, it's Mercedes guy here. Welcome back to another train spotting video. Today I'm at Leighton City. There goes the Stepford Express HST 43566 to Lynn by the Sea. 5-car HST there. I think that was a 5-car HST, I can't remember. Yeah, it was actually, yeah. Because the Dash 5 ones are actually 5 coaches long. I'll just send this message to the people who want to get involved. Just ignore my spelling mistakes, because yeah. Anyways, let's see the next train now. We've got 2 express trains, both of which are heading to Stepford Central. One of them is heading via Morganstown, well both of them are, but one of them is stopping at Edgemead Junction, which is the least used station on Stepford Express. I'll head over to platform 5 and 6 now. So I'm also very close to be getting the class 365 soon, which is also known as the Smiley train, because the 365 smile. I've got like a smiley face on the front, and yeah, we'll see the 2014 to Stepford Central via Morganstown just arriving in a couple of minutes. Okay, so I can hear the 2014 Stepford Express service towards Stepford Central coming soon. I think everybody likes to get involved in my videos, so I can hear the 2014 to Stepford Central.
Your attention, please. The 2015 Stepford Express service to Stepford Central has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
So the other service to Stepford Central has been cancelled, which I think is the one that stops at
Platform
Junction.
5 for the 2014 Stepford Express service to Stepford Central via Morganstown. Calling at Leighton, Stepford Road, Morganstown, St Helens Bridge, and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the front of the train.
801174, that is. Oh, wow, he's very laggy, that one. The Class 801 is literally the most common Stepford Express train that I've seen on the network. There's literally so many of them about. Even though they've got like a very good interior now, because I hated the old interior and the old cab, I still think that is pretty overrated, in my opinion. But they're still pretty decent trains, I would say, especially with this model. But in real life, though, their comfort is just poor, especially in standard class. And that's the same situation for the poor GWR ones. This guy is literally lagging so much. Right, I'm going to switch over platforms. Because I think there is another train that's heading to Leighton City soon. I'll go over to the opposite platform. That has literally taken 2 minutes for that guy to stop, but being late in SCR doesn't really penalise you, because you can still get the same amount of points, because I think the people in this game like to be a bit more fair on you in terms of points, because you like to gain for nicer trains, you see, except for when you overshoot, of course. Yeah, that guy's a really laggy person. I think he might crash. Off the game. Very nice 110, thank you very much. That guy is very laggy. Yeah, that 801 is very laggy. I think he might have crashed off the game by now. Yep, that's the 2014 service to Stepford Central cancelled now. And there is another one coming, which is the 2019 to Stepford Central. Let's go on to platforms 5 and 6 now. So, that's that one gone.
Your attention, please. The 2030 Stepford Connect service to Leighton City has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
Okay, so terminating train has been cancelled now, which was the 2030 Stepford Connect service to terminating here from either Stepford Central, Coxley, Benton, or whatever. But anyways, I'm focusing more on the 2019, not that train, so that doesn't really matter. Normally, it's the typical 357 drivers. I think I can hear it now. I think it's a 397. Or it might be another 801, actually. I'm thinking it's either a 397 or a 801, but we'll have to see.
Platform 6 for the 2030 19. Stepford Express, service to Stepford Central via Benton. Calling at Leighton, Stepford Road, Benton, St Helens Bridge, and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train.
So that is 397078 towards Stepford Central via Benton. I really do like the sounds that the 397 and 331 makes in this game. It's really cool. Right, let's see what is next. Let's go back to the departure boards. So we got our next train, which is coming in about 3 minutes time. So that is a terminating service at Leighton City. So we'll see what is next in a few minutes. Right, I can hear the 2024 service, which is terminating from somewhere. I'm not sure which destination it's from. It's coming into platform 3 or 4, so any of these two.
The train now approaching platform 3 terminates here. This train is the service from Upper Staplow.
Oh, Upper Staplow, and of course it's a 357, one of them common trains. I honestly hate the 357 so much. But mostly because it's a freebie, not because of the model, but it's because it's a freebie, and the drivers that drive the 357 are sometimes completely clueless. Anyways, that's 357349 terminating from Upper Staplow. Wonder if you will head over to...
The train now standing at platform 3 is the 2026 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at Leighton, Stepford Road, Rocket Parade, Wharton Newton, Upper Staplow, Hampton Hargate, Benton Bridge, Benton, Coxley, Bowden, Angel Pass, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East, Stepford Central, City Hospital, Financial Quarter, and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Your attention, please. The 2036 Stepford Connect service to Leighton City has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
So there we go, that was 357349 to Stepford Victoria. And there is another train coming as well, which is the 2028 terminating from somewhere. I think we're going to get quite a lot of 357s today, because they mostly do the freebie routes, Stepford Victoria to Airport Central.
Your attention, please. The 2028 Stepford Connect service to Leighton City has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
Okay, and as I said that, it gets cancelled, so... Oh well, we'll see what is next. Next train's not in until 10 minutes time, so... Yeah. I think I can hear another train. But, at the moment, it currently stands as 3 trains, on the timetable boards. So I think that might be for Leighton Stepford Road, actually. Yeah, I think it is for Leighton Stepford Road. Okay, we'll see what is next in about 8 minutes' time. Okay, so we've got a few changes to our board. So we've got the 2036 terminating from probably Leighton Stepford Road or something like that. And we've got the 2040 to Leighton
Your
City.
attention, please. The 2040 Stepford Connect service to Leighton City has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
And as I say, the 2040 terminating from somewhere, it gets cancelled. So the remaining trains now are 2036 terminating from somewhere, 2038 to Stepford Central from Lynn by the Sea, 2050 to terminating from somewhere, and 2059 terminating from somewhere. So we got another train coming right now. It's the 2036 terminating from Leighton Stepford Road, I think, because it's just came on the board just when I just started recording again. And it's from the 3 coaches. I'm not sure which one it is. Probably it's a 170, 68, or any other 3-car train. I'm not too sure what it is. But I think it sounds like a 170, to be honest. But let's see and find out. Let's have a look.
The train now approaching platform 3 terminates here. This train is the service from Leighton West.
Oh, it's from Leighton West. Yep, it's a class 170. I never knew a train would come from Leighton West. Let me have a look and see what fleet number is that. (174.20). And he just despawned, so... Anyways, that was 174.20 terminating from Leighton West, doing the Leighton West shuttle. I hate the Roblox moderation system. Literally, it just tags everything. Anyways, we've got another train coming. It's the 2038 Stepford Connect service from Lynn by the Sea to Stepford Central. So that one's not coming until 2043, so that's about 5 minutes late. Anyways, we'll see what is next. Okay, and whilst I was commenting about the Class 360 and the 720, I think our next train is approaching now, which is the 2038 to Stepford Central. I wonder which one it is this time. So it's formed of 5 coaches, so I don't know if it's going to be a class 720, 730, 377, any model that is actually 5 coaches. I know it's an electric train because I don't remember seeing a diesel train that has 5 coaches, except for the HST, of course, and the IETs. Because IETs sometimes can come in diesel but electric at the same time, and the HSTs is diesel as well. Of course it is diesel, even though it's like hauled by, like, you know.
Platform 5 for the 2038 Stepford Connect Service to Stepford Central. Calling at Leighton, Stepford Road, Rocket Parade, Wharton Newton, Hampton Hargate, Benton Bridge, Benton, Coxley, Bowden, Angel Pass, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East, and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
377705, that is. Guess it was a 377. I thought it would be like a 720, but it's a 377 for a change. That's nice. I was half expecting it to be a 377. But anyways, there's that one go. There goes that one off to Stepford Central from Lynn by the Sea. Right, let's see what else we have got on the timetable boards. So far we've catched an 801, 397, 357, HST, I think I've already said HST, and 377, so I wonder what we have got next. We've got a 5 coach train which is 10 minutes late, and we've got 2 4 coach ones. So 2 trains have been cancelled. This one is 10 minutes late, well, over 10 minutes late, and this one is not until 20 minutes, so yeah, it's going to be quite a bit of a long time, but we'll see what is next. So we've got 3 trains now. There's 1 train which is heading over to Leighton West, which is a very long train as well. I think I'm going to catch that one quite a couple of times because I think he's doing the Leighton West shuttle. Leighton City to Leighton West, which I call the Leighton shuttle. So it's going to turn up at these 2 platforms. Let's see what it is.
Platform 1 for the 2054 Stepford Connect Service to Leighton West. Calling at Leighton West only. This train is formed of 6 coaches.
(717.036), that is heading over to Leighton West. Off that one goes, over to Leighton West. Alright, let's see what other trains I've got coming along. Well, again, it's just only them 2. So that one's about 15 minutes late now, and that one is not until like 15 minutes as well, so around about that time. So yeah, anyways. Well, almost about 10 minutes actually for the 2051. Anyways, let's see what is next. Okay, so I think that 717 is coming back to form the 2059 Stepford Connect service from Leighton West to Benton. So it'll come at either these two platforms here. Don't know what that GD is doing in the chat. Just making some sheep noises in the chat. Don't understand why he's doing that for, but you know. Anyways.
Platform 5 for the 2059 Stepford Connect service to Benton. Calling at Leighton, Stepford Road, Rocket Parade, Wharton Newton, Upper Staplow, Hampton Hargate, Benton Bridge, and Benton. This train is formed of 6 coaches.
So that's the same 717 that I've catched earlier, 717036 I believe. Yep, same one, 707036. That is heading to Benton from Leighton West. Off that one goes. See what is next as well. So we've got that one yet to arrive. That one is 16 minutes late now. Then we've got the 2110 terminating from Leighton City. To Leighton. Terminating from somewhere, not at Leighton City. Not from Leighton City. Then we've got the 2113 to Leighton West from Benton, I believe that is. And then we got the 2123 to Lynn by the Sea. And I think there is a train coming right now. Okay, so we'll see what is next. I think I can hear it now. So this is a terminating service from somewhere. This is the extremely delayed 2050 terminating from somewhere. And I think
Your attention, please. The 2123 Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
okay, so that 2123 to Lynn by the Sea is cancelled. I think that it's that the Let me just see where he is at the moment. All of them are just connect ones by the looks of it. I think this one might be another 377 or a 70771. Not 717, that's from the 6 coaches, not 5. 444, etc, etc. I'm not sure what this one is, but it's in 2 minutes. It's coming in about 2 minutes now, so yeah. And there's also the 21.10 to Leighton City, which is coming in about 5 minutes. What's this guy doing? I think he's coming right now. Right, platforms 3 and 4. Yeah, I think he's just stopping at Leighton Stepford Road by the looks of it. Yeah, my battery is low. I'm gonna have to end the video off soon, so yeah. It's running pretty low. Have to leave the game at 21:15 because my battery is literally running very low. Well, not very low, but a bit low.
The train now approaching platform 3 terminates here. This train is the service from Stepford, Victoria.
Oh, he started all the way from Stepford, Victoria. That's cool. That is a Stepford Connect 730 as well. That is... what fleet number is it? 730178. Terminating from Stepford, Victoria. Let's see this door open. Yeah, that is really cool. I'm glad it's not a 720 because I don't particularly like them. Not in real life, but in the game, because it's quite buggy and a little overrated in my opinion.
The train now approaching platform 4 terminates here. This train is the service from City Hospital. The train now standing at platform 3 is the 2059 Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea. Calling at Edgemead, Faymere, Westercoast, Millcastle, West Wyvern, North Shore, and Lynn by the Sea. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
So that's 357320 terminating from City Hospital. That's the 2110 service from City Hospital terminating here at Leighton City. And that's him gone.
Your attention, please. The 2113 Stepford Connect service to Leighton West has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
So off goes 730178 to Lynn by the Sea. So he did Stepford Victoria to Lynn by the Sea. And now he's doing Leighton City to Lynn by the Sea. Right, so the 2113 to Leighton West has been cancelled. And there's another train which is just about to arrive into Leighton City at 2112. So I think he's starting from Leighton Stepford Road. So this will be the last train for today because I need to leave at 21:15. So and my battery is getting quite low as well. So I just need to watch out.
The train now approaching platform 4 terminates here. This train is the service from Leighton Stepford Road.
And it looks like we're finishing off with a 357. Another freebie. And that's 357388. I think you will form the next one to Stepford Victoria.
The train now standing at platform 4 is the 2114 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at Leighton Stepford Road, Rocket Parade, Water Newton, Upper Staplow, Hampton Hargate, Benton Bridge, Benton, Coxley, Bowden, Angel Pass, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East, Stepford Central, City Hospital, Financial Quarter, and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 4 coaches. The train now approaching platform 3 terminates here. This train is the service from Leighton Stepford Road.
Okay, and just pulling in now is the genuine last train of this video. It's a class 185. So off goes 357388 to Stepford Victoria. He's not even in the platform. Why is he stopping all the way down there for? One 185,034. I think he'll head from the next run either to Stepford Victoria or to Benton, or I'm not really sure.
The train now standing at platform 3 is the 2116 Stepford Connect, service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at Leighton, Stepford Road, Rocket Parade, Wharton Newton, Upper Staplow, Hampton Hargate, Benton Bridge, Benton, Coxley, Bowding, Angel Pass, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East, Stepford Central, City Hospital, Financial Quarter, and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 3 coaches.
Okay, I'll see this train depart at 21:16. So yeah, I'll see this one go. Yeah. That'll be the end of today's video. So that's it, off he goes to Stepford Victoria, and with no schedules left, I might as well end the video there. So thank you guys for watching today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This is Joe Mercedes signing out, and peace out.